Good morning, students. I welcome you all in today's English class. Children, in previous video, we started lesson 12 from Zalata's diary. So today in part 2, we will continue the explanation. Before proceeding ahead, let's revise part 1. As we know, this is a diary which is written by Zlata Filipovic, and her age was 11 years, and she was inspired by Anne Frank. Anne Frank was a German-Dutch diarist. She also thought to write a diary during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. What she experienced in World War II, she had written in her diary and gave a name Kitty. Similarly, Zlata Filipovic wrote a diary when she experienced in whatever she was experienced in Bosnian War. Everything she had written in her diary. So she also wanted to give a name. She gave a name to her diary, Mimi. She started recording her experiences of living as a child in a war zone. This war damaged everything completely. This war had a great impact on Zlata, and she thought of recording the trials and tribulations of her time, as well as the small joys with childlike honesty and earnestness. In the war, there was lengthening lack of electricity. Food was getting spoiled. So at one point, they pretty much cooked up everything perishable on an old wood burning stove and had an unplanned feast even at her younger age. Zlata realized how even necessities were becoming scarce, causing much worry to the elders. As we know, war is going and nobody is allowed to go outside. Zlata has to sit at home. So Zlata is watching everything through the window from the house. Lots of beautiful dogs roaming the street. Pedigree dogs. She saw some pedigree dogs roaming on the street. It's a breed of dog. Pedigree means from a family that has been recorded for a long time and is considered to be a very good breed. So, Zlata is saying that there is no food, no water, lot of problem of feeding them. So, their owner have left them outside. All the all the owners have left their dogs outside. The reason is they could not feed them anymore. Yesterday, one dog, Cocker Spaniel, crossed the bridge. He was confused which way the dog has to go. He was lost. He wanted to go forward, but then he stopped, turned around and looked back. He was probably looking for his master. Who knows whether his master is still alive? Even animals suffer here. Even they are not spared by the war. So, next entry was on Tuesday, 18th August 1992. Dear Mimi, Mummy is carrying home the water. It's hard on her, but she has to do it. The water has not come back on, nor has the electricity. So, Zlata is saying that her mother has to carry water to home and it's hard for her, but she has to do it. The water will not come back and nor the electricity. I did not tell you, Mimi, but I have forgotten what it's like to have water pouring out of a tap, what it's like to shower. We use a jug now. The jug has replaced the shower. So in this line, Zlata is saying that she has forgotten. So how they were used to bath in shower. Now they are using jug. We wash the dishes and clothes like in the Middle Ages. She is saying that we wash the dishes and clothes like in the Middle Ages, means in olden times, how they were used to wash the dishes and how they were used to wash the clothes. They used to wash their clothes and dishes in tub or jug. They used to wash their clothes using their hand. So this war is taking us back to olden times, and we take it, we suffer it, but we don't know for how long. So she is very much bothered that how long they have to use this Zalata. Is in next entry is on 21st October, Wednesday 1992. Dear Mimi, today is Daddy's birthday. I gave him a kiss and a happy birthday, Daddy. We made little sweets. A la Mirna. And now let me explain something to you, Mimi. As you know, I confide in you every day. Well, you know the summer school in our community center. We had a wonderful time together there, did some acting, some reciting, and best of all, some writing too. It was all so nice until that horrible shell killed our friend Eldin. So, Zalata is writing in her diary and telling to her diary that everything I share with you, all the secrets I share with you, and in summertime in our community center we had a wonderful time. We did some acting, some reciting, and all the things we did there. It was everything. It was good. It was nice until that horrible bomb. Until that horrible bomb killed our friend Eldin. Her friend was killed in that war. So she was very much disturbed. It was also nice until that horrible shell killed our friend Eldin. Maza is still working with our teacher Irena Vedovic. And the other day, Maza asked me, "Do you keep a diary?" Fipa, my nickname. So Maza is Zalata's friend, and she is still working with a community teacher, Irena Vedovic. And next day, Maza asks Zalata, "Do you keep a diary?" Fipa. Fipa is Zalata's nickname. So I say yes, means Zalata say yes. And Maza says, "Is it full of your own secrets or is it about the war?" So Maza is asking to Zalata that is it full of your own secrets you are writing about yourself, or is it about the war? And I say Zalata says now it's about the war. And she says, "Fipa, you are terrific." And her friend says, Maza says, "Fipa, you are terrific." Terrific means great. She said that because they want to publish a child's diary and it just might be mine. She said that because they want to publish a child's diary and it just might be mine, which means you, Mimi. So Zalata says they want to publish a child's diary and it can be Zalata's diary, means Mimi. And so I copied part of you into another notebook, and you, Mimi, went to the city assembly to be read. So Zalata has copied her diary into another notebook, and Mimi has to go to city assembly to be read. And I have just heard, Mimi, that you are going to be published. You are coming out for the UNICEF week. Super. And now super good news. The electricity is back on, but it is 17:45 now and it's gone off already. Samara says it will come back on. Let's hope so. Ciao, Zalata. So, it was Zalata's father's birthday. There was a small celebration for him, Her friend Maza had let her know that for UNICEF week, people were planning to publish a child's diary. So Zlata had sent along some pieces to be read at the city assembly. She had just got to know that her diary was the one that had been selected for publication. So this is a good news for Zlata. I hope you all have enjoyed this Zlata's diary, and you all have understood the lesson. Have a good day, children. Thank you.